Gratitude is one of the most transformative practices we can embrace. It has the power to shift our perspective, open our hearts, and bring deep peace to our lives. In this meditation, we draw inspiration from the divine wisdom of the Holy Quran, where gratitude stands as a cornerstone of faith, a force so profound that it can elevate our souls and unlock the gates of divine mercy. The Quran teaches us that true gratitude goes beyond mere words. It's a state of being that can transform our entire existence. We'll journey through 10 beautiful verses about gratitude. For each verse, take deep breaths as you absorb its meaning. Find a comfortable position and just let your body relax. Take a deep breath in, hold, and slowly exhale. Take another deep breath in, and release. One more deep breath, and let go. Let's begin our journey. Breathe in deeply. With hardship comes ease. Release your breath gently. Trust in life's perfect balance. Breathe in ease. Breathe out all resistance. Take another gentle breath. In the alternation of night and day are signs for those who reflect. Exhale slowly. Notice the miracles in every moment. Inhale wonder. Exhale reverence. Breathe in deeply. Is the reward for goodness anything except goodness? Release your breath. Feel how kindness returns to you. Inhale goodness. Exhale love. Take a gentle breath in. By the morning brightness and by the night when it grows still. Exhale completely. Rest in nature's perfect rhythm. Breathe in light. Breathe out shadows. Breathe in deeply. We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves. Release your breath. Feel the wisdom within and around you. Inhale awareness. Exhale discovery. Breathe in deeply. Whoever does good, whether male or female, and has faith, we will surely grant them a good life. Exhale fully. Feel the rewards of your good deeds. Inhale possibility. Exhale gratitude. Breathe in serenely. Whoever gives thanks for their own good. Release your breath. Feel gratitude transforming you. Inhale transformation. Exhale light. Take a mindful breath. O mankind, eat from whatever is on earth that is lawful and good. Exhale slowly. Feel abundance surrounding you. Inhale nourishment. Exhale appreciation. Breathe in deeply. Do good. Indeed, the divine loves the doers of good. Release your breath. Let kindness flow through you. Inhale compassion. Exhale goodness. Take one final, peaceful breath. Peace be upon you for what you patiently endured. Release your breath completely. Let peace fill your entire being. Inhale serenity. Exhale eternal gratitude. Take 3 final deep breaths. Inhale the light of gratitude. Exhale any remaining heaviness. Inhale divine peace. Exhale into pure presence. Inhale eternal love. Exhale into complete harmony.